Bonjour, it's Marianne Lecoeur and welcome to my channel. And in this video today, I wanted to give a big thank you to Jennifer and Scott. Jennifer is the author of the New York Times bestseller Lessons from Madame Chic. And this week we did a video collaboration on the topic of how to wear dresses in winter. So I will link below this video in the description to Jennifer's video on this topic. Also, Jennifer was very kind to interview me, so I will also post the link to her interview. So if you don't know Jennifer yet, please go to her channel. It is called The Daily Connoisseur, and Jennifer has hundreds of videos that are really good on style, but also on home and about children. She talks about many topics, so interesting topics. So please go to her channel and subscribe and have a look at her videos. So in this video, I wanted to thank Jennifer again. So thank you, Jennifer, very much for our collaboration. And I hope we will do another collaboration very soon.